Hi, my name is Francisco Soto, founder CEO of Visas. Here we are on ISE Wedge, and we are launching a new application with our partners Cloudco, Orion VM, and of course Blaze. Thank you. Here we have a lot of cameras that are in many places, but I want to point out this one. This is a doorbell camera that was installed 2 years ago of one of our partners. So the partner wants to add some AI functionality, but they didn't want to replace the camera. So what we did, we just connect to the camera and we enable face detection recognition. So the customer is like now can enable so many AI applications. The first one we enabled that is this one, face recognition. But we can detect like people are coming, we can count them, we can identify, for instance, if a delivery guy is on the shop, many things can be deployed, not just changing the camera. So you see the accuracy is quite well. So this is one example of what Visas and Orion VM and with Blaze we can enable.
Our partnership with Blaze is very important to us. Blaze has built, with their custom ASICs and their accelerators, an inferencing chip that plugs into our ecosystem in a very natural way, but also enabling a whole host of solutions. So we're now able to take Blaze's technology, virtualize it into a cloud environment, and now provide a whole ecosystem of ISVs, independent software vendors, to deliver their solutions to market at price points and with a feature set that they couldn't do on an incumbent cloud.